To take this apart, there are some screws. There's one here, and even on the other side as well, where we need to take the back cover off. So there we go. We have another screw here, and then we also have two screws here we have to remove as well. So guys, you want to remove these two screws there, and when you're finished, you take the back cover off. And to replace the battery, all we have to do is to connect the battery here. Let me check and see the size of this one. We do have 5000 mAh here in all. The battery in which we have is 4500 mAh. So this is the replacement battery in which we have. So we are going to try this out. Let's give it some charge. And we're just going to replace this battery. You're going to put this here. So we need to remove the battery. We need to take our time. So guys, the battery is out. And we're gonna connect the new battery. We're going to stick the battery